Number 19, evaluate the function for the given value of x. We have two functions given, f and g, and we are asked to find f times g evaluated at -2. What this means is that we're going to evaluate f, the function f at x equals 2, and multiply that, -2, and multiply that to the product of the function g evaluated at x equals -2. So we're going to replace every x in our functions with -2. So f of -2 is going to be 3 times -2, which is -6. And we have the absolute value of -2 minus 5, which is the absolute value of -7, which is 7. So we can replace f of -2 with -6, and we can replace g of -2 with 7. So -42 is our final answer.